Galindo Wastewater Treatment Plant stands out as the main sanitation infrastructure of the Bilbao-Vizcaya Water Consortium. Designed to treat a considerable amount of wastewater, Galindo is not only the largest treatment plant in the Basque Country, but since its construction, it has a key element in the improvement of the natural environment. In 2017, the project to renovate the screening area at the Galindo Wastewater Treatment Plant was launched. Quilton played an important role in this project, participating in the supply and manufacture of equipment for the pretreatment phase. Pretreatment constitutes the initial phase of the wastewater treatment process, beginning with the removal of large solid particles. When wastewater arrives at the facility through the two main collectors, the influent passes through Quilton mechanical bar screens, which effectively retain solid elements. Captured solids are discharged into screw conveyors, which transport it for subsequent compaction and volume reduction. Meanwhile, the pretreatment process continues, and the water is pumped to the fine screening area. There, 8 Quilton self-cleaning screens remove finer solids. Once again, the waste is discharged into 2 screw conveyors and processed in screw compactors, employing the same technology used in the previous coarse screening section. Next, the water passes through washing and grit removal systems so it can continue through the remaining treatment processes. In this context, the Galindo Wastewater Treatment Plant stands out for its innovative technology and the efficiency of its processes, ensuring environmental protection and representing a clear commitment to sustainability.